Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lizzie Hinshaw. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my shower routine, like body care, how I smell amazing all the time. I feel like I've really nailed this down in the past couple of months, so I wanna share it with you all. I just got back from the gym, so I'm really sweaty. It's a perfect time to do a that girl, the shower routine, all of the things. I'll show you guys the products that I use and how I use them. All right, so first things first, I like to get into the shower. I do turn my showers up very high. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest using singeing hot water on your face and hair when you rinse it out. First, I like to start off by shampooing my hair. So I'll get a little on my hand, emulsify, and then really just focus on the root. I also like to use a tool. It's like I don't know what it's called. I think it's an anti-dandruff thing, but it's kind of like a head massager too. It feels really nice. Next, I go in with my conditioner. I use a lot of conditioner. I think every girl does. So I focus my conditioner on the ends and just try to kind of comb it through with my hands. And then sometimes I do like to go in just with a comb. My hair is really tangly though, so I have a hard time with this sometimes. It really does help to comb your conditioner through. I'd say mids to ends. I don't really put conditioner on my roots. Sometimes I'll do like the excess, just like I kind of focus more towards the back because these pieces tend to get oily the fastest. Then I go in with my exfoliator. I use the KP Bump exfoliator. It's really gritty. It's not a sugar scrub. It's meant for like those little bumps that you get on your legs, but does wonders for that. And I don't really have that. I've had it before, but it's not like a very common thing for me, but it just makes my legs look so smooth and nice. So I like to do that before I shave. Next, I go in with my Trader Joe's shaving cream. Love the shaving cream. It's honestly a game changer. Like, it gets such a close shave. I try to use the razor blade with 4 or 5 blades. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I don't really notice a big difference if you go from like 3, 4, or 5 blades. I'm sure there is one, but I think mine has 4 currently and it works just fine. I haven't really found a razor that I'm in love with, so comment down below your favorite razor if you have one. So like to shave, so I was doing pretty long strokes in the shower, but normally I like to just do like 1 stroke up, rinse my razor, 1 stroke up. And when I say 1 stroke up, I mean like ankle to knee and then knee to thigh, like upper thigh. And I find that's the best way for me to shave. I like to give my armpits a little love because I feel like they're always just neglected. I did go in with a sugar exfoliant for my armpits just because it smells really nice. You could also use the KP Bump exfoliator for your armpits too. That would probably actually be a little bit better because it's a little grittier, so it could really get those ingrown hairs. But I like to just give it a little exfoliation and then shave pretty much the same way, but just, you know, short strokes, always downward for your armpits because you don't want ingrown hairs or anything like that. I used to shave up all the time and I would always get like bumps on my armpits and wonder why. Well, it's because I was shaving up. Then I like to go in with a body wash after I've shaved and exfoliated. Lately I've been using the Necessaire body wash. I just kind of became a fan of this, and honestly I'm mad that I like it so much because it's like $25 a bottle. But I used to use the Dove one a lot and that one's awesome as well. I just love like how foamy the Necessaire one gets. It's like such a luxurious foam. Like if you've tried it, then you know that it's just like the softest foam. It just feels really nice and I like the smell. And I also like to use my Dr. Bronner's baby soap and just do like, you know, my lady parts. I know that's kind of like controversial. Like some people say you don't need to wash that, or you know, it totally your choice. This is just what I do. The better job you do, the better results you're gonna get regardless. And that goes for anything in the shower really. Sometimes I'm tired after these showers because I put in work. And then I like to wash my face in the shower, so I try to turn it down, give my face a little wash and rinse it off. Also, you know, I like to rinse my hair off. I like to try to rinse my hair off with lukewarm water, so I turn it down for that as well. And that's pretty much it. Grab my towel. I use a Brooklinen towel and it's super nice. I would definitely suggest investing in just one nice towel for yourself. That's pretty much it for my shower routine, and now I'll kind of go into what I do after the shower. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower. I brushed my hair and kind of did my hair care off screen because honestly I haven't really nailed down what I really love yet, and it's just painful to watch me brush out my hair. But I use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, spray it, concentrate on the ends mostly, and then brush it through with my tried and true wet brush. I don't even know what kind of brush this is. Oh, Wet Brush Pro. Really good if you have super tangly hair. I have very fine hair, but a lot of it. At least that's what my hairdresser says, so this brush has been a lifesaver. Next, I'm gonna go in with a lotion. I've been using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel. This is fragrance free and it has hyaluronic acid in it. It just like works well for my body, so I really like this. I also like to make sure I lotion, you know, my shoulders, my stomach, my back. So yeah, lotion everywhere, and then I, you know, go in with my deodorant. I use the Dove. I'll just get it. All right, next I go in with my deodorant. I use the Dove 0% aluminum in the fragrance Cucumber and Green Tea. I really like this deodorant. And then last but not least, I do go in with a perfume. This is the Gucci Bloom. Normally I don't wear this until I put my clothes on. So I'll like, you know, spray it on my neck, and then I like to spray it on my wrist as well. And normally out of the shower, if I'm going somewhere, I like to do my skincare routine with sunscreen and everything, but I'm not going anywhere. It's like 3 o'clock, so I'll probably still do my nighttime skincare routine later, but I don't really like to just not moisturize after the shower. So I'm gonna be using this mask. I actually just picked this up yesterday and I tried it and I really liked it. It's the First Aid Beauty Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. My gosh. Tongue twister, not really. So it's kind of like a cool color. It's like blue, which is interesting. And you can use this, this isn't like a wash off mask. This is a really hydrating mask. So you can totally use this overnight or just leave it on for a long time. Then I normally like to finish off with just some Vaseline, so just use this for my lips. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, normally I do my regular skincare, but it's just not really one of those days where I want to put my treatments on yet, just because it's a little early in the day still for some of them. And yeah, this is how I get my soft, smooth skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for new videos from me. Also, let me know what you want to see down below, and hit the bell notifications so you never miss a video from me. Have a great day. Bye.
I left my phone at my brother's place. It's not my fault, don't walk away, 'cause I don't quite know